In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana, 5 minutes. We'll move from signing in to setting up your first project, then add tasks and a few helpful refinements so you're ready to work right away. Start by heading to Asana in your browser. If you're new, create an account. If you've used it before, simply log in. Enter your email address, click continue, then enter your password and select log in. As a quick reminder, only use your own credentials and never share passwords. Once you land on your Asana homepage, look for the option to start a new project. This is your launch pad for getting organized. You'll see two paths. You can use a template or create a blank project. Templates are great when you want a proven structure for common workflows. If you prefer complete control or you're building something unique, choose to create a blank project. Give your project a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. Consistent naming makes searching and reporting much easier down the road. Click Continue, then choose how you want to view your project. List is perfect for simple to-do items. Board gives you a Kanban-style workflow. Timeline is ideal for scheduling across a span of time. And Calendar helps you visualize due dates. Pick the view that matches how your team works and click Create Project. Inside your new project, add your first task. Keep your task names action-oriented so they're easy to scan. Open the task details to see the full panel of options. Here, assign the task to the right teammate so ownership is clear, set a due date to keep momentum, and add subtasks to break larger work into manageable steps. Subtasks are especially helpful for multi-stage efforts with handoffs. To stay on top of your work across Asana, visit My Tasks. This gives you a focused view of what's assigned to you, no matter which project it lives in, helping you prioritize your day. Take a moment to explore the interface so you know where everything lives. Within your project, open the Customize panel. This is where you can add powerful enhancements like forms, rules, and custom fields. Forms standardize how work requests come in, rules automate routine actions to save time, and custom fields capture the specific data your team needs, such as priority, stage, or budget. And that's it. You've logged in, created a project, set your preferred view, added tasks with details, and tailored the workspace with customization options. You're ready to organize your work in Asana with clarity and confidence.